Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we have another casual truck reaction, no? We are going to react to SB19 on Atom Boys 2 Left Taiwan Speechless, no? I don't know why di pa nakikita to kasi look at this. Look at the views on this video. Like it's 1.7 million views for this video. I feel like isa to sa mga pinaka naging like trending na video ni Casual Truck about SB19. But for some reason, ngayon lang siya nag-pop up sa recommended video ko sa Facebook, sa YouTube, no? So we're going to listen to it. So, I don't know why, but I feel like this is going to be a video where SB19 is just gonna wow Atom Boys, maybe for the first time, I don't know. Kasi Atom Boys 2 left Taiwan speechless. But Atom Boys 2, may Atom Boys 1 ba? Or is there a part 1 version of this video? Might have to check that. We might have to check that, no? Kasi ito lang lumabas na ito lang lumabas na to put 1. I don't know what I'm doing in here. So Atom Boys 2 talaga yung pangalan nila. Okay, all right, I'm sorry. Alam ko there's a second version of this. Second version ng Atom Boys, no? Parang sila na yung sumunod, pinamana sa kanila yung pangalang Atom Boys. Yeah, so I feel like this type of video, na SB19 just wowing Atom Boys with their talent. Right? Oh, I'm just excited with this, man. Without further ado, napatagot pa natin, man. Let's get it.
接下来呢，我们要看第4团。
Wait. Is this a Atom Boys 2? I'm sorry. Is this a TV show? Something? Next, we'll take a look at a group from
菲律宾，而且他们这一支 MV 已经有4500万。
Wait, I need some context, man. I need some context. What is happening in this video? Casual Truck? A compilation of all SB19 scenes in Atom Boys 2 episode 11, all with English subtitles for international 18. Let's go. I might not earn money from this. Okay, yep. Do we have any context about this? Please? Nothing? I'm sorry? Sorry? There's nothing? Okay. Alright, that's okay. Let's go. Gento. Is this a like parang boy band PH? And then they have to I'm doing a prediction in here, no? Nag-assume na ako that this is what's going to happen. Like they have to perform Gento and then suddenly SB19 is going to perform. Ganun ba? So makikita nila din. Okay.
菲律宾的 BTS 那种感觉，因为菲律宾最红的男团现在是他们，然后他们也有去韩国的，就是流行音乐颁奖典礼，他们的功底那些都很稳，而且他们的主导歌曲都是自己负责，超炸。
我觉得他们重点跟我们这里蛮像，就是这很有野性派的那种，所以我觉得我们可以让切磋一下。
很紧张，很多团都有出道，然后出道蛮久。
There's so much pressure before debuting. Okay, so they are in training. So it's like boy band PH, kinda. I'm sorry kung downgrade ko tong kasi I feel like yung boy band PH natin wala naman siya na-produce na na malulupit na artist, no? No shade sa competition. I feel like pag kino-compare ko siya sa boy band PH, downgrade ko tong competition na to or anong meron dito. Pero I'm just, giving an example, Sorry.
而且还有1000万点阅率，压力真的就是很大。
SB19 迎欢迎。
Okay, so yeah,
Let's go!
that's actually what happened. Okay, with the live audience, the face card.
因为我以前同事是菲律宾人，所以我也会讲一些菲律宾话。
哎呦，不能是脏话哦。
那不会了。
他们在那个 YT 300多万的 follow。
Wait. Sinabi niya yung N-word?
我以前同事是菲律宾人，所以我也会讲一些菲律宾话。
哎呦，不能是脏话哦。
那不会了。
他们在那个
You said the N-word. What the hell?
哎呦，不能是脏话哦。
那不会了。
他们在那个
You said the N-word. I'm just joking.
YT 300多万的 follow， 拥有全世界的粉丝，感觉怎么样？
They have what? 3 million? In YT, you guys have over 3 million followers. In YT, let's see right now. Kung asan na ang ating mga boys. Asan na ang mga boys natin ngayon? They are on 4 million. 4.1 million. Let's go. Let's fucking go.
在那个 YT 300多万的 follow， 拥有全世界的粉丝，感觉怎么样？
Well, first of all, we're very, of course, overwhelmed and thankful because we have so many fans around the world, and we are grateful to be here.
This look of Josh is my favorite look, diba? Nabagit ka na yung parang vampire. That look.
And we are actually feeling blessed that we have been chosen to be judging and part of these show.
跟大家分享一个小故事。其实早在第1季的时候呢 ，SB19 就已经跟当时的地球一起合作过喽。
These two groups, SB19 and Team Earth of Season 1, already worked together as environmental advocates.
当时呢，他们一起共同参与了2022 Acer Day 的绿色行动大使，一起作为环保宣导者。很开心这一次《原子少年》第2季可以再一次跟 SB19 一起合作。
We are very curious of what it feels like to be in this kind of competition, and right now able to see a glimpse of what's happening inside. Talking to them, having conversations with them. I think it's very challenging for them, but at the same
Kasi yung mukha ni Ken dito parang napakamaldita. Parang suplada eh.
time, I think they were very happy to be in the show because they can really showcase their talent.
现在要马上进行的国际交流赛的组别呢，是由来自菲律宾的 SB19 对上我们的天狼星。首先要先欢迎 SB19。
SB19 versus Sirius is that is a boy group from Taiwan as well, right?
现在要马上进行的国际交流赛的组别呢，是由来自菲律宾的
International exchange
现在要马上
of
进行
talent in this exhibition match. Oh, it's an exhibition match. This is a versus, by the way. This is a versus. So bring it on, Taiwan. You want me to trash talk right now?
新的国际交流赛的组别呢，是由来自菲律宾的 SB19 对上我们的天狼星。首先要先欢迎 SB19。
Ganyan lang tayo na pinuno, no? Ayan. Si Stel cute lang ngayon. Cute. Diba?
要先欢迎 SB19。
Meron tayong maangas na gang. We have, just good-looking guy, man. And we have this. We have this, man. Tinaasan lang tayo ng kilay. Just a good boy, no? Overall, just a good boy.
Well, we'll be performing our viral song Gento. It was viral on a lot of social media around the world, so we're gonna show it to them.
Let's go!
Hey yo, Adam Boys, you everybody. What's up, yeah? You know who it is. I want some, I get some, no later. I woke up, I'm baked dead potato. Got curves, shape me for major. But I stay me, not mediocre. Look at me, tell me what you see. I'll do you.
Just clean. Look at that footwork there.
But I stay me, not mediocre. Look at me, tell me what you see.
Just clean, man. Sabay-sabay, no?
I'll do you, but the question is, it's really
A movie.
Never, never reality. Is you see, model me, L. I did it. Yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Pagkatapos kong mag-shower, medyo ramdam ko ng power. Pero kulang pa sa sour, mga hater kaya hindi na mga bagay.
Man, they're just enjoying this. No pressure, no? No pressure at all. Look at Stel, no? Kinikindatan lang niya yung camera. Like, no pressure at all, man. I mean, maybe there is a little bit of, pressure. But they're showing this on this. I'm sorry, who's this again? I'm sorry, who's this again? But anyway, may ADHD yata ako. Hindi ko ma-distract eh. So, pinapakita nila dito na sa mga talents and para sa competition na to na, hey, this is how you do it. This, sobrang relax sila tingnan. Like, Stel is just having fun on this performance, man.
Model me, L. I did it. Yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Pagkatapos kong mag-shower, medyo ramdam ko ng power. Pero kulang pa sa sour, mga hater kaya hindi na mga bagay-bagay. Di pwedeng anin sa aking bahay. Himig lang gawang matibay. Pag tinopag talagang mag-iingay. Gento, gento, gento. Dito basta bingo. Nino, makumpleto parang bento. Gento, ano kaya mo? Kahit mo kayang bumbunan, makakita lang ng ginto. Ginto, kahit na wala pang hinto. 100% bawat bitaw ko. Mismo, eto kaya mo. Basta magpapagita ng gento. Gento.
Boss ni pinuno. Gento. Parang hinukay sa ilalim ng lupa eh, no? That is a Ken reference na. Hey! Okay, marunong, sorry. Pag sa akin, manyak eh, no? Pag kay Ken, cool. Hey!
Di ko basta makakakita ng ginto. Di ko na kailangan lumunok ng bato. Hindi maladana to. Aandar ang makina ko, tanging mekaniko. Kaya ko, lalamoni-moni ko. Sa daming pinagdaan, nagpatong ng historiko. So much mo, maligit pumanik na rito. Hindi naman talaga madali. Amin ko pa manonde. Try ko naman ito bakit begi manik. Di pa listo, laging alisto. Kahit pa si Mephisto, taglip pag nag-bisto.
No rush, you can do this all day. No rush.
Yep, that's right. Hear that?
Moni ko sa daming pinagdaan, nagpatong ng historiko. So much mo, maligit pumanik na rito. Hindi naman talaga madali. Amin ko pa manonde. Try ko naman ito kung bakit.
By the way, they are dancing in here. Okay? Believe me, ang hirap mag-fast rap na sumasayaw ka. Kaya usually, if you see someone, kahit sa mga hip-hop artists natin sa Pilipinas, or even Eminem, no? Once they do a fast rap, bumabagal yung movement nila, diba? Kasi they have to focus on, enunciating the word, at data sa masasabi mo siya ng mabilis, diba? Yung flow is mabilis. So you don't wanna do any unnecessary movement na pwedeng maapektuhan yung vocals mo sa pag-alog. It might cause na medyo maano yung dila mo and you pronounce words na mali. And once you pronounce words na mali, magiging aware ka doon, no? Mawawala yung focus mo, no? So as much as possible, you don't wanna move a lot if you're doing a fast rap. And at the same time, for you to be able to do a fast rap, that you have to make sure na hindi ka hinihingal, diba? So, for example, if you're performing, you have this set, no, you have this song, and you have the fast drop part of the song on the second verse, let's say. So, if you're performing, as much as possible, you want the first half of the song for you to, you know, not move a lot, no, para hindi ka hingalin. So, when it comes to the fast rap version or fast rap part of your song, you can you know, you can present it, like you can perform it na hindi kayo nihingal, no? But in here, kaita pa sila sumasayaw, no? That's the fucking amazing part of it. And sobrang clean, no? Maybe dahil din sa mic, no? That they're using, but sobrang cleanness. Hey, that's a Captain America reference, by the way. Our ad-lib king, no? Our ad-lib king, Ken. Ako sasabihin nyo, lip sync? Di pa rin nakamove on, no? Sasabihin nyo, lip sync? Hey. Hindi basic tayo this style, boy. Ginto. Gento. Hey.
Like this, Halukay mo na parang gento. Huwag kang hihinto sa ordinaryo. Kahit basige hanggang sa madugo. Di ka basta-basta makakakita ng
Gento.
Gento.
There we go. There we go. Jeez, that's a mic drop, no? That is a mic drop.
麦克使用很厉害，没有听到，没有呼吸。
I told you, man.
第一炮真的是
很帅，
那个嗓音。
May pakaldag.
Get in the zone. Break.
Hello everyone, I'm Justin.
Lee Hawk, Washi, Josh.
Wow.
Dagyo Washi Ken.
Hi everyone, my name is Tel.
What's up everyone, I'm Pablo. And we are SB19. Let's go.
其实我觉得必须首先谢谢 SB19 带来这个舞台，真的是为我们原子少年做了一个很好的事。因为我之前也看过他们 MV， 看了蛮多次的。第一次看他们现场，听到他们的歌唱实力，是真的被他们震撼到，真的非常棒。那我觉得今天天狼星也是有拿出这个拼劲，但是就真的是必须要再更加油。我觉得你们是很冲，很想要炸这个舞台，可是你们少了他们的这种很轻松、很享受舞台、很游刃有余。
True. So, hindi naman palaging pag sobrang explosive is maganda na, no? Minsan kasi may mga I mean, maybe yung group na Sirius, maybe na medyo na-overwhelm sila. I mean, kasi yung SB19, they're doing it like very energetic at the same time relax, no? Na parang kumbaga parang kang niyayabangan na, hey, like, ganito lang gawin to, no? Yeah, pero still, in 100%, no? So maybe they got intimidated by that. So sometimes we have this feeling na, for example, competition na parang, kailangan kong taasan yan, no? Kailangan kong galingan. So sometimes you're doing it, you're overly doing it. Now maybe that's what happened with Sirius, no? But again, it's a great example na makita nila yung SB19, no? 무슨 방 itong grupo na to?
마이크 쓰는 방법을 하나 팁을 드리자면 마이크를 여기 잡아도 되지만
Oh, you might wanna watch 3 mics, 5 guys. baka lalo kayong mawaw.
마이크를 이렇게 잡으면 약간 목소리도 좀 약간 이렇게 이펙터 걸린 것처럼 저도 너무 감명 깊게 봤고요. 왜냐하면 이미 6년 동안 활동도 하셨고 해서 그거에 대한 에너지를 여기서도 느낄 수 있었고 또 신인인데도 불구하고 거의 같은 에너지를 느낄 수 있어가지고 너무너무 잘 봤습니다.
刚刚老师有说，其实应该是天朗星这边今天在唱歌的时候，其实有稍微的麦克风和跳舞的部分比较没有去注意到声音的控制，但是我觉得不打紧，就是不会造成我看秀的感觉，因为我觉得天朗星今天哪吒感觉是有把那个风火轮踩出来的，当然。你们也很喜欢《Gendo》这首歌，就是 SB19 这首歌真的是很好听，而且他们的 vocal 声音你们也知道，他们的 vocal 是处理的非常的漂亮的，让你们可以看一下他们的唱法跟他们的跳舞方式，怎么去 hold 住那个声音 ，hold 住那个 vocal。
当初知道呢，我们要对上 SB19 的时候，你们
akala ko mumurahin siya ng babae. Sorry.
让你们可以看一下他们的唱法跟他们的跳舞方式，怎么去 hold 住那个声音 ，hold 住那个 vocal。
当初知道呢，我们要对上 SB19 的时候，你们有没有做了什么样的准备？
他会去研究一些神话故事的那些角色的形态。
哦，这么用心。
对，然后我就是去查一些封神榜的一些故事，关于哪吒，然后把它写到这个 verse 里面去。
接下来要问一下 SB19 了，当初接到我们节目邀约的时候，当下心情是什么呢
Of course, we were very happy to be part of the show Adam Boys. And this is really a big opportunity for our group SB19. But being here tonight to hear a lot of good comments and praises with the other judges, we are very happy for today. And we hope that our performance today will be an inspiration for everyone as well, especially for the boys.
Let's go!
谢谢你们。
Sobrang nakakatuwa po na may naging party kami ng show.
Let's go! Let's go, Josh. Speaking in Tagalog, no? Like, we are fucking SB19, what you're talking about. Joke lang. Ayoko sila magyabang eh. Ako na lang magyayabang para sa kanila. Sorry.
Na ito. At nakakatuwa na showcase lahat ng talents from all over the world at napasama kami. Sana magkaroon din po ng ganitong programa syempre sa Philippines. Shout out siya sa mga programa dyan. Sana magkaroon po syempre ang...
I mean, they did. But it flopped.
P-pop ay mas lumalaki. Katulad nito, mayroon silang T-pop and mas marami pa po na grupo ang maka-experience ng ganitong klaseng treatments at ma-showcase pa po.
Gusto ko lang din sabihin na itong program Atom Boys, sobrang saya makabilang dito. Yung experience namin is nakakatulong para sa amin din na na-inspire din kami to do our best. So sana masuportahan din natin lahat ng mga trainees or yung mga artists na nandito. Thank you so much.
非常非常的 nice， 而且我必须要说，刚刚天蓝星在表演的时候呢，其实我们 SB19 在台下也给了很大很大的 respect 跟很多的反应。刚刚有没有哪一位在出来的时候，你们整个是哇哦
？Well, I remember this part.
小潘，
谢谢。
因为这首歌真的非常非常的红，我想要问一下，我们今天有没有现场看到两团一起跳 Gento 的副歌
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
掌声加尖叫，欢迎他们一起带来的表演。
Okay. Let's go. Okay.
Hey, come on, everybody.
Ano yun? Kasama ba yun sa performance nila? May dugo siyang gano'n. Ano ba to? Halloween? Halloween. Baka magkamali siya. Kala siya Halloween. Joke lang. Maybe part of their performance. Maybe.
Hey, come on, everybody.
I see. Yes, yung isa kasi meron ding ano dito. No? So maybe it's part of their performance.
1, 2, 3. Ano kaya mo? Basta makakakita ng yento. Yeah! Woo!
Wow!
太帅了！
真的很喜欢这首歌，然后刚才在台上就觉得有一种圆梦的感觉，跟偶像一起跳舞。
Firstly, we're just so happy to be here. We're just glad that we are able to show our skills and talents in front of the people.
Oh my god！
สำหรับทีม MVP ผมให้ไมโครโฟนครับ
麦克风，恭喜麦克风也获得了一票。
Whoever we choose, we just knew that they enjoyed it so much. They were very passionate about what they're doing. I hope the others will not stop dreaming and improving. For the group, we choose microphone.
Woohoo！ 恭喜获得
So
由
ano din sila? Parang naging judge, ganon?
最支持少年帮我们选出你们个人心中的 MVP。
For the individual, Xiao Pan.
小潘潘永安。
Let's go!
We know that he was born for this stage. Yeah, keep on doing what you're doing.
我们的4组国际男团，谢谢国际团，谢谢。
Let's go. All right. Well, again, that is.
Hi, Mega. We're SB.
Hi, hello, Mega. Sorry.
We have been chosen to be.
Okay, so again, that is SB19 Atom Boys 2 left Taiwan speechless, no? I mean, pinakitaan eh, no? Pinakitaan talaga. Palag, ano? Palag! Sobrang ano kasi, no? Sobrang low-key lang ng 5 to, eh, no? Ako na lang magyayabang para sa kanila. But that's our reaction for today, man. Sana gusto niyo yun. Amid ng lupit, no? Ang lupit na makita, no? Na grabing respeto sa kanila. Which is, you know, nagbunga lahat ng paghihirap nila in what? Like 6 years now? Doing this. Performance nila sa, ano? Atom Boys 2. No, lahat ng training nila na wala pumapansin sa kanila sa umpisa. Now they have the respect that they deserve, no? Seeing them as an example para i-improve yung sarili nila ng mga talents, no? But yeah, I mean, that's our reaction today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto mag-react sa video yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, get out tayo dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today.